To begin, make a chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. This is the foundation ring. Now begin the first round. Chain 1 to bring up the yarn, and into the ring single crochet 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue. Work until you have 18 single crochet stitches made into the ring. Once you have made 18 single crochets into the ring, complete the first round by making a slip stitch into the first single crochet. The first round is ready. Now begin round 2. Chain 6 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then chain 13 more for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then triple treble crochet into the third stitch. Yarn over the hook 4 times to work a triple treble. Then skip 2 single crochet stitches of previous round and work into the third stitch. Pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Repeat again. Chain 13 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And triple treble crochet into the third stitch. Skip 2 stitches, work into the third one. Pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 5 times. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here I made 2 chain spaces of 13. Continue in this way and crochet 4 more to have 6 of them. Work till the end of this round. Here I chained 13 for the last chain space, and now to complete the second round, make a slip stitch into the 6th chain stitch. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip into this 6th chain stitch. I'll count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second round is ready. And this is the foundation for our flower. Now let's begin the last third round where I'll be crocheting petals. Chain 1 to bring up the yarn and begin the round. And now to begin the first petal, into the first chain space of previous round, single crochet 17. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and the last single crochet 17. Once you're done working into the chain space, continue and single crochet 9 under the next post of triple treble stitch. It's the first post of triple treble. So single crochet 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last single crochet 9. The first row of the first petal is ready. Now turn to crochet row 2. Chain 1, then skip this first single crochet and single crochet into the back loop of the next stage. It is the back loop of the second single crochet of previous row. Continue in this way and single crochet into each stitch, working into the back loop only. Work until you have 4 stitches left on previous row. Keep working single crochet stitches in a row into the back loops of stitches. Here we have 4 stitches left on previous row. At this point, the second row is ready. Turn to the front to crochet row 3. Chain 1 to bring up the yarn, and then chain 4 more for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and single crochet into the third one. Again, chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet into the second stitch. Skip 1 and single crochet into the second stitch. And the last time, chain 4 and single crochet into the second stitch. Skip 1, work into the second stitch. Now I'll continue making chain spaces of 3. So chain 3, single crochet into the second stitch of previous row. Repeat 6 more times. Chain 3, single crochet into the second stitch. It's 1. Chain 3, single crochet into the second stitch. 2, 1, 2, 3, single crochet. 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet. 4, 1, 2, 3 chain stitches and single crochet into the second stitch. 5, and the last time, chain 3 and single crochet into the second stitch. Now into the next chain stitch, work a single crochet. Row 3 is ready. Turn to crochet row 4. Chain 1 to bring up the yarn, and chain 3 more for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Now single crochet into the first chain space of previous row. Again, chain 3 and single crochet into the next chain space. Continue the same. Chain 3, single crochet, chain 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain space. Again, 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, single crochet into the next chain space, chain 3 and single crochet. Now on previous row we have 3 chain spaces of 4. Continue, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet into the following chain space of previous row. Then chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet into the next chain space. And the last time, chain 5 and single crochet twice into the last chain space. 1 and 1 more time, single crochet into the same chain space. Row 4 is ready. Turn to begin row 5. Chain 1 to bring up the yarn, and then chain 6 more for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet into the first chain space of previous row. Again, chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and single crochet into the next chain space. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet into the following chain space of previous row. Chain 4, 3, 4, and single crochet into the next chain space. Now continue and work chain spaces of 3 till the end of the row. So chain 3, single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, single crochet. Again, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, single crochet into the next chain space, and the last time chain 3 and single crochet twice into the last chain space. I did 1, now single crochet one more time into the same chain space. Row 5 is ready, and now we need to fold this petal to the right. To do this, work through the single crochet of the first row. Skip this next single crochet to the right and single crochet through the second one, inserting the hook into the stitch from the back of the flower to the front. Now let's see. This is the first petal of our flower. Once the petal is folded, I'm going to crochet the bars inside of it. There will be 3 bars inside of each petal. I made a single crochet working from the back, working like this, through the single crochet of row 1. Now turn the work to the front and begin the first bar. Chain 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now on the third row of the petal, skip this first chain space and single crochet twice into the second one. First single crochet into the chain space to the right from the stitch that is already there, and the second single crochet work to the left from the same stitch. And now continue working through the chain stitches to complete the bar. Double crochet into each of first 8 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last double 8. Then half double crochet into each of next 2 chain stitches. 1 and 2, and single crochet into the next chain stitch. As you can see, we have one more chain stitch left, just ignore it. Now to complete this first bar, single crochet into the next single crochet stitch. It is the same single crochet that we made to fold this first petal. Now the first bar is ready and we can begin the second one. Let's see first. This is our first petal and we have already made 1 bar inside. There will be 3 bars inside of each petal. So continue to begin the second bar, chain 13, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let's find the chain spaces that we need to work into to secure this bar. On the third row of our petal, you can see this is the second chain space that we attached the first bar to. And the next chain space on this row is busy with a single crochet made on upper row, row 4. So now we need to single crochet into the chain space that is right before this single crochet stitch, into this chain space, and then into the next chain space that is right after the single crochet. So insert the hook into the chain space before this single crochet from the front to the back, and into the chain space above from the back to the front and single crochet. Then insert the hook into the next chain space from the front to the back and into the chain space that is above the single crochet from the back to the front and single crochet. Now continue the bar working into the chain stitches. Double crochet into each of first 10 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last double, 10. Then half double crochet into each of next 2 chain stitches. 1 and 2, and single crochet into the last chain stitch. Complete the second bar by working a single crochet into the single crochet that we worked to fold this petal. Now the second bar is ready. Here it is. Let's continue and crochet the last third bar. Chain 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now on the third row of this petal, this is the chain space that first bar attached to. Skip the next chain space of the same row and single crochet twice into the following chain space. Work the same as with the first bar. First single crochet into the chain space to the right from the stitch that is already there, and the second single crochet work to the left from the same stitch. Then continue working through the chain stitches of the bar. Double crochet into each of first 8 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last double, 8. Then half double crochet into each of next 2 chain stitches, 1 and 2, and single crochet into the last chain stitch. Complete the third bar by working a single crochet into the single crochet that we made to fold this petal. Now let's see. We crocheted 5 rows of the petal, folded it to the right with a single crochet, and made 3 bars inside. Thank you so much for watching.